Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Craving something delicious and healthy? You can enjoy this delightful lemon chicken breast in under 30 minutes, making it a true weeknight winner. It's perfect for those busy evenings when you desire a quick, yet incredibly satisfying meal that tastes fantastic. This simple recipe ensures you create a flavorful, tender dish with minimal effort, bringing a bright, zesty taste right to your dinner table effortlessly. Preparing this incredible dish starts with just a few simple ingredients that you probably already have at home. You will need boneless, skinless chicken breasts, fresh lemons for that essential bright zest, garlic, olive oil, and some common herbs. Fresh lemon juice is absolutely crucial for achieving that vibrant, zesty flavor we all love in lemon chicken. These accessible items ensure your meal is both delicious and incredibly convenient to prepare. For maximum flavor, you will want to prepare your chicken carefully. Pat your chicken breasts dry, then slice them to an even thickness. This ensures uniform cooking. A brief marinade with fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, a splash of olive oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper will make them incredibly tender and juicy. Let them rest in this mixture for at least 15 minutes, or even longer, to truly infuse every single bite. Now, let's cook your chicken to golden brown perfection. Heat a little olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place your marinated chicken breasts in the hot pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook in batches if necessary. Sear each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until fully cooked through and beautifully golden, then let them rest for a few minutes before slicing. Once cooked, your incredible lemon chicken breast is ready to be enjoyed. Elevate your meal further with simple serving ideas. A sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley or a few extra lemon slices adds both flavor and visual appeal. This versatile chicken pairs wonderfully with a side of roasted asparagus, fluffy rice, or a crisp, light garden salad for a complete and satisfying dinner. Now, go ahead and savor every delicious, zesty bite of your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.